you need some new gear, you gotta pay bills, you wanna go on vacation. Whatever the reason, you need some money and I got your back. I have 3 options today for websites that will pay you cash to work from home and test apps and websites. Oh yes, you can make some money right there in your house and it's easy. What's up, people? It's Nikki, the Deal Finding Diva. I am back with another video to let you know how you can make some money from home testing apps and websites. That's right. I have 3 options for you all, and these apps and websites are legit, and they have options for multiple countries. And yes, they will pay you to test apps and websites. So you can even get paid to play games or use websites that you may have even used before. So before we jump into this video, please let the algorithm know that you like these ways to make some money by hitting that thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications if you're not yet a diva or devo, so you can be notified when I drop a new video. So yes, we're gonna jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you these 3 websites that will pay you to test apps and websites. Come on, y'all, jump in. All right, people, so the first website that we are going to dive into is called Userbrain. So Userbrain will pay you to test websites. So in order to get started with them, you will have to take a qualification test, and they also ask that you speak English or German fluently. So they're not saying that you have to be in a specific country, but they're asking that you speak one of those 2 languages. And they would typically pay like $3 for each website that you test. And typically the tests are like between 5 and 15 minutes, I believe. So they will ask that you download the Userbrain recorder for Google Chrome. That way they are able to record your screen and record your sound. So you're going to have to give them access to both your microphone and your screen. And they also give you the option to use the Userbrain recorder for iOS. So if you have an iPhone, then you are good to go. You either need Google Chrome or an iPhone. So again, you will have to do a qualification test, and they have the knowledge base so that you have all the answers to the questions that you need right here, and you can go through and get any of the questions answered. So, so the way that they pay is by PayPal, and again, they pay about $3 for each test that you do. And let's see, let's click on Get Paid to Test. The next website is called Try My UI. That's trymyui.com. And yes, you can get paid to test websites. So in order to do that, you just come right here on their website and click Get Paid to Test. And they say you will get paid $10 for each test that you take, and they normally last about 20 minutes. So, yep, you can sign right up, and they will pay via PayPal. So once you test a website, they will pay every Friday. So if you're looking for something weekly to do, to get like a weekly little check, this is a good website for it. So they do have examples on their website. So let's just show the desktop example.
All right, cool. So I am definitely a Yelp user. I use Yelp really to not only find local places and local things I want to hire, whether it be a service or a location, but I also use it to provide feedback to help other people. So if I
So on this sample, they actually show that they will give you a scenario. So for this example, this guy has to pretend he's on a business trip and he's looking for a place to get dinner. So that is the mindset that he'll have to be in when he's testing that website. And so this one is, I would say, more like secret shopping, you know what I mean? Because when you're a secret shopper, a lot of times they'll give you a scenario and you just have to like play that out when you go to the stores or wherever you're testing the employees. So when you're testing, not only do you have to be in a certain mindset, but you also have to do survey questions. So there are certain questions that they want answered. So it's like, what did you like about the website? You know, what could they have changed? That kind of thing. So they do have options for desktop and for your phone as well. And they have a sample for that too. Now, the one thing that I don't like about this website is that you can actually easily get confused on if you're getting paid to test or if they're talking to you as if you're a company trying to hire a tester. So that can be a little confusing because, like, if you click on the frequently asked questions, it's right here at the top. It will take you to a page where it's like basically from the side of the company. So if you have questions about being a tester, it may not be as easy to find. I'm going to see if I can actually find it for you all so you know where to find it. So pretty much the best way to get any details that you need to find is by clicking on the Get Paid to Test button at the top. And then they do have some information there on that page, but you would need to sign up to get in there. But again, they pay every Friday. So if you're looking for something that's weekly, this might be a good option for you. So with that said, the next website that I want to talk about is Userlytics. Userlytics is one that those of you that are not in the US might find very helpful because they say that they have options in various countries. So yes, you can get paid to test websites and apps and prototypes and all that good stuff. So yep, you can just come right here to the home page. This is the form right here. So what they want you to do is they want you to interact with a website or an app, and the websites and apps will vary in price range. So they say you can get paid $5, $10, $15, $20, or some pay as much as $90. Okay. So you're just using apps, and there might even be games and all kinds of stuff where you can have fun. So yep. So you would just put your email address right in there and sign up. You have to be at least 16 age. Yeah, you have to be at least 16 years of age or older, and then of course agree to the terms of use and everything. So they pride themselves in being a global provider. So yep, they say they have South Africa, Southeast Asia, Japan, China, of course, the United States. So yep, this seems to be a good option if you are looking for some ways to make money. So in order to test the desktop sites, you're going to need a Mac or a PC. So there are more options than Userbrain on here, because with Userbrain, of course, you had to have Google Chrome. And also you're going to need a microphone and a webcam. I really like Userlytics because they spell everything out. Try My UI. As you saw, they didn't have that much information on their website. So far, I'm really liking Userlytics. But also Userbrain is also a pretty good one too, but they're limited. Also, when it comes to mobile, you have Android and iPhone as an option. Of course, you have to have a microphone and a camera on that as well. So yep. So if you sign up, again, you just put in your email address and confirm you're 16 and all that good stuff. So Userlytics will pay via PayPal. Their frequently asked questions page is not too good. I'm going to be honest with you all. So if you click on frequently asked questions for testers at the bottom, it says page not found. And then, like, say if you're searching for get paid, then it's not really going to give you the answers that you're looking for. But from my understanding, they will pay every 15 days. So like twice a month, you can expect to be paid via PayPal, from my understanding, if things haven't changed. So Userlytics is a great option if you're looking for some ways to get paid for just using websites and apps. And again, you might even be able to get paid to play some games and stuff. So yep, you got 3 options. Didn't I tell y'all? Easy peasy. That's right. 3 options so you could test apps and websites. So let me know which one was your favorite, because I know which one was my favorite. If you were paying attention to the video, you kind of got a little glimpse of which one was my favorite. But let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And also, if you have any content ideas or something you want me to do, let me know that in the comments as well. But again, before we get out of here, because you know me, I'm ready to peace out on this video, but please don't hesitate, hit that thumbs up button And also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. So I love you all for watching. And if you noticed, we hit that 10K. Hey! Okay, y'all. So I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, get that money. And I love you all for the positivity and all the love that you have been showing me. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!